check out the divisions. You got your classic rods, your imports, special construction, diesel trucks, rocket-powered cars. It's crazy.
Hey, yo, DJ! What up? We got ourselves a nodder.
Pretty music.
Oh no, Snotrod! He's gonna blow!
Gesundheit!
To this that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise.
But I wouldn't worry about it, because I didn't do it!
Pistons Cup officials have determined that a tiebreaker race between the three leaders will be held in California in 1 week.
Well, thank you! Thanks to all of you out there, thank you!
Hey, Rook, first one to California gets Dinoco all to himself.
Ah! No, not me! No, you rock, and you know... Again, old man.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Thanks, guys! Nice paint, kiddo! McQueen's idea. He felt Hud would have wanted you to have it.
I love it. Oh, it's perfect. It's very old school.
Did someone go ahead and gun it?
Oh, yeah!
With no muffler, you even sound like Storm.
Thanks, Smokey.
Now, go make Hud proud.
You got it.
Well, it won't be enough to catch Storm.
Considering he started dead last?
Hey, champ! Where?
Wait, you're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
Cup. Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston Cup?
Good luck in your last race. You sure been an inspiration to me.
Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.
Hey, be careful out there, okay?
Yeah, man.
This just in. Rookie Jackson Storm slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen. Oh, I couldn't have enjoyed it more if I'd beaten McQueen myself. Oh, wait, I have.
What's the thunder? You want thunder? You're thunder! Ka-chiga! Ka-chiga! Ka-chiga!
Hey! Guido! Aha! Laugh it up! Real fun!
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
Like being on a real track, so put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills. Come on, show me what you got.
Wow, pretty fast. Who's the racer?
No. She's not a racer.
Overreact. It's just a slump. We'll get him next week. Okay, that's enough. No comment.
Not even about Cal Weathers retiring?
Wait, what?
Cal Weathers. He's hanging up his light years.
No comment on that either. Retirement? What's going on?
Tried slamming him into the wall. But Hud never touched any wall unless he wanted to.
Just say old school.
Trying something new. I like it. Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief.
You know what? Get a ton of pictures because Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right? I love this guy. I think I touched a nerve.
Track your speed and your vital signs.
Does it have a phone?
Don't be crazy. Race cars don't have phones.
Wow.
Not bad, huh?
This is really impressive.
This center has quickly become the most coveted destination for young racers training to make our team someday. And it's where you'll train until you leave for...
Okay. Yes!
Fancy new training center.
Celebrate! Guido, come! We have to pack the tires.
Hey, McQueen, you can't race in primer, man. Come on, let's go!
Ramone, you have done it again.
It's like the Sistine Chapel.
Well, I sure can respect that. Still, you know, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Look at that boy go out there!
Okay, McMissile, I'm here. It's time for the drop.
He was able to get a photo of the car who's running the entire operation.
Great. Well, who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here to...
You lost your mind.
But I thought...
Beta, this chap...
This is valuable equipment. Make sure it is properly secured for the voyage. You got it.
Hey, Professor Z! This is one of those British spies we told you about.
Yeah, this one we caught sticking.
Then why must he rest, huh?
Because he knows what's important. Every now and then, he prefers just to slow down, enjoy life.
Ah, you heard it! Lightning McQueen prefers to be slow. Of course, this is not news to Francesco. When I want to go to...
Suarez. Plus, no press, no trophy, just racing. The way I like it.
Francesco likes it like this too.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luckiest car in the world.
There's smoke on the casino bridge.
Oh, no. It's Carla Veloso, the Brazilian race car.
About to begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't...
Just passing through?
Actually, I thought I'd stop and stay a while. I hear this place is back on the map.
It is?
Yeah, there's some rumor floating around that some hotshot piston cup race car is setting up his big racing headquarters here.
Really? Oh, well, there goes the town.
You know, I really missed you, Sally.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the train. K-I-S-S, I-N-K.
Get
Ooh, Ramone. Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well, then let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
How many tires am I holding up?
Well, it can't be more than 4. Oh, you have 6 tires, right? Well, was it 4 or 6? Huh, hey, where'd you... Hey!
Out that rot good excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural, sustainable, organic biofuel just because I never trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong, man. It was him.
Once big oil, always big oil. Man.
Tree hugger.
The Radiator Springs Grand Prix is about to begin.